What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be doing a little tutorial on how to set up a whisper message in Twilio. This is great for the rank and rent business model when you have a call tracking phone number on one of your digital assets and you want to notify your partner business that the lead is coming from you. Before we get started, let me know in the comments below if you've tried rank and rent before or if you're just getting started for the first time with this business model. And if this video helps you set up your call tracking, please be sure to like the video to help me out with YouTube algorithm. So first things first, I'm going to assume you've already bought your Twilio tracking phone number you're going to use for this. If not, be sure to come over here to phone numbers or develop, phone numbers, manage, buy a number. Once you already have your number, you're going to come over here to just search for bin, right? We're going to look for create Twiml bin. Click on that. So for this Twilio bin, this is just creating the whisper message. So I'm going to name it whisper, and then you can just name it your business name. So put your business name there, and then you're going to paste this code, and I'll put this code at the bottom for you guys to easily just copy and paste for your own Twilio phone number. So it's pretty easy. It's just response and then say. You can set the voice to Alice. That is the most natural voice in Twilio as of right now. You can set your language. I have mine set to US English. You can also set it to different languages, including British English as well. And then I noticed when I spelled lead the right way, L-E-A-D, right? It sounded weird, so I changed it here to L-E-E-E-D to make it really emphasize, hey, this lead is coming from me, Hunter. And then close that out, close out the response, and click create. Now you're going to want to copy this URL here, okay? And save. Now with that whisper message Twiml bin created, you're going to go and create another Twiml bin. So create new, you have your custom URL already that you copied from the other one. So for now, I'm just going to paste this here just so I have it ready. And then you're going to paste this other code in here. And I'll, of course, leave this at the bottom as well for you guys. So real quick, paste that in there. And then you're going to replace this part, number URL, with the whisper bin you just created. So you're going to paste that in there. So yeah, easy again, just response. You're going to want, if you want to record the call, create this record variable in here. This is for how long you want it to ring for. We just pasted the URL in here of the other bin. So it's going to use that whisper message. And then here, right here, you're going to put the phone number that you want the call to forward to. So if you already have a client for your rank and rent site, this would be the business's phone number that you're working with. If you're just looking for a rank and rent client at this time, you could put your personal phone number here so that you're getting all the leads directly to your number, or you're just testing it out to make sure that the whisper message and the call forwarding is working for you. So like I said, I'll go ahead and paste this code at the bottom for you guys so you'll have that easy. You can just paste in here. So once you're done, you go ahead and click, make sure you put the friendly name in there, of course, because this will be for, your rank and rent client. You can say something like call forwarding, and then, you're going to put the target business name because you're going to put the target business phone number in the actual code here. So yeah, you go ahead and I'll just put rank and rent site number 10 for now. But you can put your business name, of course, if you have a client already. And you can go ahead and click create. Okay, now step 3 is just to point the Twilio phone number to the forward bin. So you're going to go to your phone number, active numbers, click on the number that you want to add the whisper message to. Then in the number, you're just going to come here to a call comes in towards the top. change it from webhook to Twiml bin, select the Twiml bin you want to use, and go ahead and click Save Configuration. So now that number is live with call forwarding, the whisper message, a beep sound to let them know that the call has been transferred, and recording so you can actually hear what the business owner is discussing with the lead that you brought in. Of course, you're going to want to make sure that this setup is active and working for you. So go ahead and call the number and verify that everything's working as it should. Then you can find the call recordings and make sure that it's recording the conversation. So you're going to, have that data to make sure the business owner is honest with you and everything like that. So you can just come over here to monitor logs and call recordings, and the call that you made, the test call, you'd want to stay on the line for a little bit and say some stuff just to see that it's recorded. You can go ahead and come in here and make sure the recording works. All right, guys, so that's how you use Twilio to set up a whisper message for your Rank and Run websites. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. And if you got value out of the video, make sure to drop a like. Really appreciate it. And hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.